There's a storm! A storm, a storm, a storm.
We'll come around to get you out.
Okay. OMG.
Don't forget your bag.
There's a storm today. Look at that, you know. Scared. My husky is afraid today. It's raining. It's raining now. God, oh my God, that's scared.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So the dog is so scared. They're just, oh my God, shaking.
Uh-huh. That's right.
It's raining, raining. God. Clear?
Freaking car coming.
I know. It looks like me practicing driving.
Yeah.
And there's one here.
Well, I better not go too damn fast. I got a trailer.
Yeah.
About pulled right out and hit me.
Oh my God. About you. So it's now 12 ng tanghali, 12 at noon, and we're having a storm today. April 13, 2019. So it's now 12, but it's so dark and rain is so bad. It's like this since 6 o'clock. I think so.
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
Heavy rain.
Yeah, so they want us to come home early, you know, to be safe. So it's still raining. So look at that. You cannot see.
This guy did it.
I don't know. Oh, they're waiting for wipe. Yeah, look at this rain. It's like this all day.
Heavy.
Heavy rain. It's like 6 o'clock at night. It's too dark. So, yun. So now I'm going home because of the bad weather. So yeah, bad Saturday na. I'm getting worse. I'm so scared. The dog is also scared.
Yeah, they got in bed with me.
Yeah, our dog like sick and so every time raining like this, they're so afraid. They're just home, shaking, you know, snuggle. Look at that. Oh, oh, heavy rain. Oh my God, look. There's a water. Oh, look at that, the water. The water, oh, MJ. And look how the clouds. Oh, look at the water. See? God, it's splashing.
These yards are all flooded over here.
I know, it's flooded over here. Oh my God. Flooded, yeah, and then look, so much water now. And like this for all day.
Over here.
Over here too. Oh yeah, over there. There's a flood there. There's a water, yeah, there. There's also water. Yeah, look at that. It's flooding now. So like this all day, it will be flood here.
Yep.
It's coming on the road. God. There's a storm! A storm, a storm, a storm.
We'll come around to get you out.
Okay. OMG.
Don't forget your bags here.
Yes, my love. My God, look at these. OMG. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is worse. Look at is the storm here in Texas. Texas storm.
At Kohl's, the savings add up with 25% off select Under Armour and Adidas. Save on women's Under Armour tops and men's Under Armour tees only $18.
What if the wind is strong? What happened to your greenhouse?
No.
Nothing? Okay. Look at that.
And then Cheryl Thorne pressed the scanner. At 5:55, 3 minutes later, to go back up in the elevator. So it was definitely her. Yeah.
So ayun, umuulan pa rin. It's still raining. Ayan, it's 2 o'clock but it's still raining. It's still raining. So, ayan. It's still raining. You want me to hold this for
No.
you? You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy cow.
Oh nga, ayan, oh, look at that. It's water. It's flooded. Oh, look at that, guys. Ayun, oh. Diba, lakas ng ulan. I think it's raining all day.
It's supposed to.
Yeah. But we need the rain. You know. We need the rain for this flower, trees, grass to grow more. And after this, oh my god, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. It's gonna be hot. Oh, this is so bad. This one. OMG.
See what it does?
OMG.
Gotta be ready for it.
OMG. God, that's so scared. So what I'm going to do this?
You gotta slow down.
Slow down? Oh my god, look at the water. God. Look at this bird. That is scared. There's another OMG. Oh my god. Hala, grabe. OMG. Bumabaha sa Texas. Oh god. Oh god. Look at the car. OMG. Scared. So scared. Look at the water here. Oh. There's a water. So much water today. Oh. OMG. OMG. Look at that, guys. Ayan, oh. Grabe. So scared. Another here. OMG. Oh god. And this house is done. Oh my god, it's so fast. Look at that, guys. Tapos siya. Oh my god. And look at the highway now. now.
Car.
Oh yeah. Car stop there. Good night everybody. So yeah, matutulog na ako. So yeah, matutulog na kami. Ayan, we're going to bed now. We are sleeping now, right baby? Look at that face, oh. It's not 10 o'clock. Oh no. So yun, good night. And go to bed. I sleep now. I'm so tired. So bye everybody. Thank you for watching my vlog.
Yeah, that's
Krezy, my love.
I'm sorry to bother you like this, Sonja, but you've got to help me.